How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out something that's a little different, but I'll tell you, this truck is such a nice truck. I had to own it. It's a 92 GMC Sierra SLE, and it's a one-owner truck. It's all the original paint. Never had any paint work done on it. Super nice truck, guys. You guys looking for a nice truck for a cruiser, even your daily driver, I tell you, you're not going to find one nicer than this one. You can see how nice and slick it is down the sides, and this is the original paint, never been painted on. I don't think I've ever seen one this nice. Couple real small chips. Bumpers all look really nice. Even the factory pinstripe on this truck is not faded, it's not cracking, it's beautiful. And this is just a super nice Survivor truck. The interior looks like it's never been even sat in hardly. I mean, this is just like you come out of the showroom, unmessed with. Just extremely nice. Does have the 5.7 in it, which is the 350. Air, windows, everything. Cruise. I mean, the interior still sparkles just like it did when it was new. Dash isn't faded or anything. None of the seats are having fading to them. Carpet still got all the sparkle. They did add some nice stainless bed guards up there on the tops, nice bed rails. And they are stainless, not chrome. You can see the box, there's a few scratches in it, but there's really no dents. Anything in the box here, the wheel wells. Very nice truck, guys. Got the bed mat. See how nice it is under the mat. I'll tell you, it's really hard. I don't think I've ever seen one this nice that hasn't been restored. And it's even got the original deluxe floor mats in it. I mean, this is just super nice truck, guys. Doors shut like brand new. Parking light lenses, they got a little fading to them, but tell you what, super nice. Beautiful truck, guys. You can just get in this truck, drive it, and enjoy it. It'll last you a long time. everything on it works like it should. I mean, it's just a super nice truck. And again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.